year, I always start with small activities. So what I will need from you now, first one, can we raise our phones? So I need all of you guys to make it in silent, flip it, or put it in the have seen this in real examples, and let us talk about the site level. You will see people always in touch with the others, and they like when they see them. And you see people when they come, people will get scared from them because their approach and because how they are interacting with the people. Can we? No? There's no stress? Oh.
We can open the door.
Okay, let us do it 2 lines.
I'm Alexander from Energo. And thank you very much to Mr. Khalid for this workshop, very interactive workshop with valuable points raised, discussed, practiced.
Hi, today we had a workshop on safety, enhancing safety culture, which was conducted by Mr. Khalid Al-Balushi. The entire day was a very useful interactive session, so thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for the interactive session.
Hi, this is Vinay Patel from Energo Projects, and I learned a lot from this. I am thankful to Mr. Khalid, and he's a good communicator, and how the time passed, it was a great session, I can say.
Enjoying this program? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I cannot hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are we enjoying this program?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Give yourself a hand of applause, please.